Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to a new video from Linguamid. الجو النهاردة حلو. الجو شمس. امبارح الجو كان مطرة. بس النهاردة الجو حلو. Did you understand what I just said? It's about weather. And after this video, you will understand what I just said and more. First of all, let's agree on something. Expressing the weather is one of the very important conversation starters in any language. And in this video, I give you 10 important phrases about weather. Keep watching this video till the end because I'm preparing for you a very interesting giveaway. So let's go directly into the phrases. Weather in Egyptian Arabic means الجو. 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 Sometimes we also say الدنيا. Okay, الدنيا. And I will explain this in the phrases to come. So, weather is الجو. For example, when we say it's a nice weather, it's a nice weather. In Egyptian Arabic, الجو حلو. الجو جميل. Okay, حلو or جميل means nice or beautiful. الجو حلو, الجو جميل. It's a nice weather. We want to say the exact opposite. So, it's a bad weather. We say الجو وحش. الجو وحش. So, it's a nice weather, الجو حلو. It's a bad weather, الجو وحش. Also, الجو حلو is another meaning for it's a clear weather. So, a clear weather, let's say a sunny weather without any rain. So, a clear weather, we also say الجو حلو or الجو جميل. It's warm. It's warm in Egyptian Arabic means الجو دافي. Okay, الجو دافي. Sometimes we also say دفى. دفى. So, we either say الجو دافي or الجو دفى. If it's hot, we say الجو حر. الجو حر. It's hot. Make sure to pronounce it right. حر. حر. Make sure to pronounce the ha or the ha right, and also the re or the ra right, because the pronunciation of these two letters can be difficult. Say it with me. الجو حر. الجو حر. Sometimes we say also الدنيا حر. Okay, so we may say الجو حر or الدنيا حر. This is why I told you at the beginning that weather means الجو. Sometimes we say الدنيا. Okay, so if you hear an Egyptian say الدنيا حر, الدنيا حر or الجو حر, it's exactly the same meaning. It's windy. It's windy. When we say it's windy, we say in Egyptian Arabic الهوا جامد. الهوا جامد. في هوا جامد. Okay. في هوا جامد. هوا means air. Okay. جامد means let's say violent, means big, difficult, and so on. الهوا جامد. It's windy. Okay. We also say storm عاصفة or storms عواصف. عواصف. It's full of storms. مليان عواصف. مليان عواصف. So الهوا جامد. الهوا جامد. So it's windy weather. Full of storms, مليان عواصف. Okay, مليان عواصف. It's a windy weather. الهوا جامد. It's sunny. Sunny. So الجو شمس. الجو شمس. In modern standard Arabic we say مشمس. Okay, but we don't say it a lot in Egyptian Arabic. We say instead الجو شمس. And shams is sun usually. Shams is sun, but we add it with الجو to indicate that the weather is sunny. So we say الجو شمس. This is the common way to say it in Egyptian Arabic. By the way, don't forget to like and don't forget also to subscribe. As I told you, keep watching till the end because I have a surprise for you. It's rainy. It's rainy. So when it's rainy, we say in Egyptian Arabic الجو مطرة or الدنيا بتمطر. Okay, الدنيا بتمطر. So الدنيا بتمطر is the most common expression. الدنيا as a weather. Okay, the word الدنيا بتمطر. بتمطر, it's raining. Okay, it's raining. This is how we say it in Egyptian Arabic. الدنيا بتمطر. Okay, الدنيا بتمطر. It's rainy. Okay, it's a rainy weather. It's humid. When it's humid and you can't catch your breath, this is really difficult. And we say الجو رطب or في رطوبة. Okay, في رطوبة. So رطوبة means humidity. Humidity. رطوبة. Okay, take care. It's not رطوبة. It's رطوبة. رطوبة. So the T is kind of heavy here. رطوبة. So الجو رطوبة. It's humid. الجو رطوبة or الجو رطب. Now we reached the end of this video. Now, can you understand what I said at the beginning? I will say it again, okay? امبارح, yesterday, الجو كان مطرة. الجو كان مطرة. It was rainy, okay? بس النهاردة, but today, الجو حلو. الجو حلو. It's clear. It's a nice weather. الجو شمس. الشمس طالعة. The sun is rising. الجو شمس. It's a sunny weather. So now you can easily express the weather and start any conversation in Egyptian Arabic with the weather using this expression and this video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And now the giveaway. Okay, I prepared a free course for you, Egyptian Arabic 101. Enroll for free and find the link in the description below and also in the first comment. Have a nice day and see you in a future video.